Hello, Tintin. Cassie. Hi. Ayun nga, yung best friend mo saan? Hello, hi.
Last year kasi, ako kami sa pinaka-una. Kaya sabi ko, kanina pa kami.
Tin, ay sir.
Alright, so parents on the right side. Parents on the right side. Sir, another lecture po. Dito po. Ito po, 1, 2, 3. This time po, huwag niyo siya po marilan ng pose. 1, 2, 3, smile. Thank you so much po. You may now go back to your right, please, as a person.
Tara na.
Number 1, huwag na po tayo mag-form ng line. Compress na lang po tayo dito kasi magpapasok na po isa pa. Hello po sir, dito na lang tayo. Ayan. Para kita dito, pwede din po tayo magpapasok ng category po tayo dito ng form.
Okay na.
Ayan, hindi kayo dito. So hello everyone. Hello. Hi. Good morning. So hello everyone, my name is PLR and I'm your tour guide here sa ating second station po. So downstairs, you had the chance to take a photo with Lucky M, di ba? So dito po, may kita niyo rin si Lucky M. Gusto niyo po ba makita si Lucky M? So this time, mapapanood naman po natin siya. Ready na po ba lahat? Baka hindi pa ready yung ibang bus. Ready na po ba itong bus na ba? So if you guys are ready, can you get your attention to the screen? Please, watch this.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Lucky Me Noodle Factory! My name is Lucky M, and I will be your special friend today on this tour. First, let me tell you about myself. I like to sing, dance, and play. And I need music playing and gadgets, so I can always be tip-top shape. Do you know what my favorite colors are? Can you guess my favorite food? Yes, it's Lucky Me noodles. And yes, I was named after Lucky Me because I love all things Lucky Me. Have you seen this? That's the Lucky Me noodle. The round represents the freshly cooked style of Lucky Me. And the red oval shape symbolizes the warm embrace of family and friends. Lucky Me is all about bonding with loved ones over our favorite noodles. Remember these fun facts next time you see the Lucky Me logo. Do you know who our biggest inspiration is? No! It's you! 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 Thanks to you, Lucky Me is the #1 instant noodles brand in the Philippines. So we promise to always make Lucky Me even more enjoyable for all. Pancit Canton Calamansi was created. And we know a lot of people love spicy foods. So we now have a whole line of spicy Lucky Me noodles. So you get to choose the spice level that you want. I hear you. If one pack of Lucky Me Pancit Canton is not enough, but two might be too much. Don't worry. Ta-da! We give you the Lucky Me Pancit Canton Kasala Pack. Now, for those who enjoy their noodles with a twist, Lucky Me Pan-Pan, Pancit Canton, and Pandesal Combo is the way to go. Yum! And to make your mommy more yummy, try it with egg. It's healthier too. From local favorites to international, we'll try to give you all Lucky Me with these products for you to enjoy. Everything that we do is for you. Lucky Me's top priority is to make sure our noodles are not only delicious, but more importantly, safe and of high quality. All our products are FDA approved, meaning they are guaranteed safe for you to eat. And because you are all special, we make sure our noodles are made with tender loving care. Lucky Me uses only high quality ingredients that go through a very strict production process that will surely guarantee a safe and happy tummy. It's certified Noma 2, which means no preservatives added. A fun fact you can find in our packs. We're also giving vitamins to Lucky Me to help you stay healthy. Did you know that the wheat in Lucky Me is a good source of carbohydrates? They are our body's source of energy. We should use this energy and engage in active play so we can be stronger and healthier. Do you know what I love the most aside from eating? Eating with my family. I love my family. Did you know that kids who regularly eat dinner with their family are more likely to do well in school? Isn't that cool? They also grow up happier and happier, just like me. This is mine. KPM. Kainang Pamilya Mahalaga Advocacy was born. KPM encourages parents and kids to regularly eat dinner together to stay happy together. So kids, if you want dinner, start this family eating habit, okay? Tell mommy and daddy, kain na tayo. Guys, kain ng pamilya ay mahalaga. I am Lucky M, wishing you all a happy weekend. That's it, Pancit. Enjoy the little factory tour and hope to see you again.
Palakpakan lang po natin si Lucky Ann. Ano daw po ang meaning ng KPM? Anyone? KPM po?
Hindi naman. Tara na. Habang. Ni. Nakakain mo sa ulo. Nakadun, dali. Dali. 1, 2, 3. Naka-video yun. Ate na tayo. Ay, bawal natin sa taas. Bawal na nga.
Dance number. Dito po tayo dance number 3. Sige po. Move backwards. Please here. Alright. Good morning everyone. Welcome sa aming dancing area. Magda-dance tayo together with Lucky M. We're just gonna follow Lucky M's dance step, alright? Okay po ba sa inyo yun? Yes.
Tsaka lang, tsaka lang.